Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is units of mass. We have done units of length. Here we are going to do with units of mass. Students, look, earlier we have used in unit of length, we have used many units. For example, kilometer, meter, centimeter, millimeter. But in unit of mass in your book there are only two units given, kilogram to gram and gram to kilogram. Okay, means kilogram and gram units are given. So we are going to read only, we are going to understand these two, how to change these two. So first one is kilogram is the bigger one and gram is the smaller one. So if you have to go from bigger to smaller, if you have to go from kilogram to gram, you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, that is bigger to smaller. Then if you have to go from smaller to bigger, means gram to kilogram, only two units we are using. Please remember this thing, there are many other units. Here also we have milligram, centigram, decagram, heptagram, that you will be doing in 5th class. Gram to kilogram you have to divide by 1000. So only two formulas you have to learn here, that is 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams and 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilograms. These two you have to learn. Now first question is convert the following. So if you have to convert 5 kg to grams, what you have to use is, you have to use this first formula, that is 1 kg to 1000 grams. Firstly we are going to do questions related to bigger to smaller, then we will go from smaller to bigger. As you know, kg is bigger than gram, so you have to use this formula. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Every time you have to write the formula, then only you have to solve the question. Then you will bring this 5 kg here. 5 will multiply with this 1000. 5 will multiply with this 1000. So it will be 5 multiplied with 1000. So the answer will be 5 ones are 5. All 30 you have to write down. Okay. So similarly I have given you this question homework. 75 kg is equals to dash gram. I hope this both are same, so you can do it. Then you have 3 by 5 kg. You have to change it into grams. Again kilograms to gram we are going bigger to smaller. So again you have to use the formula 1 kg is equals to 1000 grams. You have to use this same formula here. So 3 by 5 kg, 1 by kg, 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram you have written. Now this 3 by 5 kg you will write down. Okay, is equals to, now this 3 by 5 kg again you will write, and this 1000 you will write it here. As you know that we have to, when we are going from kg to grams, you have to multiply. So then the number that is given in denominator, 5 and 1000 will come in same table. 5 come in the table of 5 at 1, 10 comes in the table of 5 at 2, these 20 you will write afterwards. Now what is left? 3 and 200, 3 multiply by 200. So when you will multiply 3 with 200, your answer will be 600 grams. Your answer will be 600 grams. So like this also I have given you 2 by 4 kg as your question. Now 54 kg 275 grams. 54 kg 275 grams you have to change it into grams. 1 kg again kg and kg to grams we are going. So 1 kg is equals to 1000 gram. Again you have to write bigger to smaller we are going. 54 kg firstly you are going to take. So 54 kg we are going to write again, and then you have to multiply by this 1000. You have to use the formula and you have to take the number from there only. 54 multiplied by 1000 is equals to 54,000. Now again you will write the question, 54 kg 275 grams, 54,000 plus this 275 will come here. This 54,000 come from here and 275 you have written from here. So when you will add these two numbers, you will get the answer 54,275 grams. So bigger to smaller we have changed. This one also same type of question. I hope you will be able to do it. Now this type of questions are there in from bigger to smaller. Now smaller to bigger we are going. Smaller to bigger. So 4000 grams to kg. Again smaller to bigger. So now you will change the formula. The formula that we have written here. Now you will start writing this one. 1 gram to is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilograms. So here 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilograms. 4000 you will bring here, and this 4000 again you are going to write, and this 1000 you will write in the denominator. Whatever is given in the denominator you have to write that. All 3 0 will cut all these 3 0. 4 upon 1 is equals to 4 kg only. 1 does not have value in the denominator. So the answer here is 4 kg. Again here also I have given the same type of question for your practice. Then we have 7,50,000. Okay, so there are many zeros here. Here 3 were there, so we have cut. Now again you have to write gram to kilogram. We have to go gram to kilogram. So 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kilogram. Same formula, smaller to bigger we are going. We have to write this question again. 2 times you have to write, and denominator will have 1000. Denominator will have 1000. 3 zeros are given here, 4 zeros are given here, but you are going to cut from behind and the numbers that is given in the denominator. So 1 2 3 1 2 3 you can cut. This you cannot cut because there are 4 zeros here and 3 zeros here. So last 3 zeros you are going to cut. So the left number is 750. So the answer here is 750 kilogram. Okay. Next, here also same type of question, yeah, for your practice. 5,632. Here gram, and you have to change it into kg. 1 gram is equals to 1 upon 1000 kg. Okay, so is equals to 5632. This 5,632 you have to divide by 1000. 5,632. Same denominator you will take. So here 0 will take 2. This 0 will take 3. This 0 will take 6. 1 will become point. 1 will become point. So it will be 5.632 kg. 5.632 kg. Because there are 3 zeros here, 3 zeros here, and we do not have any 0 here, so you cannot cut. So this 0 will take these place and 1 will become point. So the answer will be 5.632 kg, like decimals we have done. So similar type of question I have given you here. Only 2 formulas you have to remember here, and I hope that this exercise will be clear to you. These are the extra questions that we have done for your practice. Same type of questions are given so that it will be more, you people will be more able to understand it. Okay, so bye bye students, have a good day.